If you are in Microsoft Excel and suppose if you want to fill a color to this cell, then there is a shortcut method. So first you must click the cell, must select a cell, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard. There you can see this the alt key. You must press this alt key. At the same time you must press the H key 2 times. H. So I press the H key 2 times. After that I release the finger from this alt key, and you can see that this option, that is you can select the color from here, whichever you want. So now we have selected a color from here. So remember, the keyboard shortcut in Excel to fill color is press the alt key and H key 2 times. Of this video. See, for more videos you can subscribe and stay with the Engineers Online. Thank you.